Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Beautylish 2019 Lucky Bag. Now, if you are not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. My name is London and I do new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like the one you're about to watch. Now, let's get into this because I literally just got this and I am dying to see what it is. If you haven't already noticed, I have not opened it yet. Now, I am super excited about this, so I wanted to go over the details really fast. So this box was $75 with tax and shipping. It came out to about $92. They did have an option for fair to medium skin tones, and I think it was medium to dark skin tones as well. This one is the standard box. I tried so incredibly hard to get the $150 one. I literally logged in 4 minutes after they launched it and they were already sold out. So we're going with this one. So hopefully next year we can get the other one. So we have the Lucky Bag packaging. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestler or Rikishi on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Upon first glance, everything is wrapped in black. Now, I will have the prices of everything linked down below, and I'll add everything up to see what the actual value of my box was. I feel like this is a game. All of this and nothing. This is the bulk of everything. Okay, first thing that I see is the Becca Glow on the Go Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. I do not have this. It looks like this. It is the liquid and the powder version. And it does say on here that it's $20 if you were to buy this. So that's what they look like straight out of the package. I have swatched Moonstone before, but I have never bought it. So I'm gonna put these aside so that when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup, that I can try this out. Put this in my bin of things to make videos with. Next thing is in bubble wrap. This is a Bioderma micellar water for sensitive skin, which is good. I'm kind of running out of my micellar water, so good so far. Next thing, ooh, y'all, I got my first Wang Goss brush. Look at that. It's the number 15 brush. I know Beautylish does limited edition brushes. This one is a fan brush. Ooh, it is really soft. The brushes are so incredibly straight on this. I mean, minus these couple ones on the sides here, but the top of it is like perfectly flat. That's crazy. Put that aside there. Next thing is, oh my gosh, no way, no freaking way. No way. Y'all, if anyone knows, I've been wanting to try something by Charlotte Tilbury for the longest time. Oh my gosh. Okay, this palette, whew, I can't even talk right now. I'm so excited. This box has been made. I haven't even told you what it is. So it's a Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a palette. 5-minute face on the go. So it says 1 eyeshadow, 2 and 3 eyeshadow, 4 face bronzer, 5 and 6 cheek swish, and cheek pop. And then 7 is a highlighter. That's what it says on the back there. Shall we open it up? Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. So it literally is a really awesome travel palette, literally for smoky eye. There we go. That's what that looks like. I'm pretty excited about this. I mean, it looks more bland for me, but I'm definitely gonna try this out in a video because I keep, excuse me, I keep hearing that the formula of everything of Charlotte Tilbury is really good, and it is really expensive. So if I like this, I might be more willing to buy more of it. All right, we have 2 things left. So the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Rose Gold. Yes, I do already have this one, so I will be giving this in a giveaway soon. I have a whole bin of stuff in a giveaway, and I also have a giveaway open right now. So if you want to enter my giveaway, it's in the link down below. So just so you guys know, this is what the Rose Gold looks like. All right. Last thing, coming soon at Beautylish is what the outside says. That's really cute packaging. Good molecules, wake up eye serum, formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. I'm running out of my eye serum right now, so that's pretty good. I've been using the Bioderma, and I don't know if you're gonna kind of be able to see, but airless pump is right here, so I feel like I'm only gonna have a little bit left of this, but I really want to open this up. Look at how pretty the packaging of this is. I really like this. It's like a yellow color. It's super 80s to me. This is a huge eye serum. This is gonna last me for like 10 years, AM and PM. Massage a few drops onto the skin around your eyes in the morning and at night. Suitable for daily use. I wonder what it smells like. It doesn't really smell like anything. This is gonna last for 10 years, I swear. Ooh, it feels really nice though. I just put it on my hand and you can't even tell where I put it on my hand. It already like soaked up pretty well. Okay, good. Good, good, good. That is everything that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2019. This is my first year of the Lucky Bag, so I will be getting this again next year. I am pretty happy about this. I am still kind of disappointed that I did not get the big one. I really wanted to get the big one, but I am not disappointed at all by this one, especially with the Charlotte Tilbury palette and the winged Goss brush. These 2 alone make it up to me. Stay tuned for a video probably in February of me using all of these. Alright, and that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments if you got the Lucky Bag. Have you ever heard of the Lucky Bag? Do you have any friends that got the Lucky Bag? Are you wanting to get the Lucky Bag? Were you impressed by this Lucky Bag? Did you think it was worth the $75? Well, technically it was $92 with the shipping. So let me know down below what your thoughts are on this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.